So I kind of just felt like making a quick video today. I am going to Chicago to visit my good friend Paige a few days from now for the weekend. I feel like this summer I haven't really gone out all that much. I haven't really gotten dressed up or like looked cute on a regular basis this summer. So I've been inspired by some things that I've seen, and I want to just see if I can pick up something fun to wear this weekend at the thrift store. So I'm gonna lay out some things now, like some basics for what I can work with, and then we will go shopping. Okay, so I went ahead and just like laid out a few things that I might want to wear. Obviously, classic pair of jean shorts, a couple fun DIY tops, and my favorite upcycled pair of like, it's almost like a skirt, but they're shorts. I upcycled this years ago, and oh my god, it's my favorite thing ever. This is a summer essential for me, so I got those shorts, 2 pairs of shorts, and then my white jeans, little knit midi dress, and my favorite dress. I found this on Poshmark and wore this for my rehearsal dinner, if you guys remember. And then I also have a couple shoes here. Classic pair of white tennies, my go-to in the summer, and then these classic black slingback heels, very cute. We'll get into those later. I'll try some outfits on for you, but let's go to the thrift store. So what am I looking for, you ask? You know how you feel like sometimes you just have nothing to wear? I mean, it's kind of how I feel, and I'm going on a little girls trip, little girls weekend, and I don't know, I just feel like I haven't been thrifting in a long time actually, and I just would love some new basics that I can love. Like, for example, I'm looking for, I mean, this is classic me, might be boring, but like an oversized button-up that is colorful. Maybe what I'm looking for is just like something different, you know? Something bright, summery, and maybe like a fun skirt, fun midi skirt or something like that. So I'm just gonna browse around and see how I do. I ended up with the big green shirt, and that was it from that store. So I don't know if it's too big. I think it might be, but I really liked it, so I got it. I love the oversized look. So I'm gonna head to the next store, see what I find. Button-ups there, 3. They didn't have dressing rooms. I had to try them on over my shirt, which it's just not the same. So I'm really hoping that they all look good. But I'm actually heading to another thrift store, so I just felt like going hard. So I hope that I find something like super fun. But actually the one shirt I'm really excited to try on with my white flares. I feel like that'll be the perfect 70s like inspired outfit. Pulling up to another ARC. This one is not my favorite because it's pretty expensive like all the time. But they do have a really good selection, so we'll see what we can find. Okay, I got one cardigan, so I'm gonna go home now and see if I can put some outfits together. We're back in the office. I'm gonna see if I can make anything that I bought work. Before I get to trying on outfits, I wanna say thank you to 𝒻𝒾𝓃 for sponsoring my video today. They're a sustainable shoe company, and I have these 2 options to try on and match with some of the outfits I'm gonna put together. So I'm gonna try and put these together with some outfits. Okay, what do we think of this shirt? This print is amazing. I was really excited to try this on with these pants and these black shoes, perfect. Okay, definitely scored with this silky shirt. This print is so fun. And it's very 70s feeling with my bell bottoms as well. It's like perfect, I love it. And these shoes, I'm telling you, they are super comfortable. So my absolute favorite thing about this brand is that they're a sustainable brand, and how they are sustainable is that the fabric that their shoes are made from recycled ocean plastic. So they actually collect plastic from fishermen in the ocean, and then they take those bottles or plastic and they make it into the stretchy fabric that the shoes are made of. The fabric is super thick and stretchy, like I said, and it's just super comfortable, it's breathable, and I'm a big fan. I am also a big fan of all of the styles on their website. They have so many choices, so many unique styles to choose from. So if you're interested, you can check out the link in my description to check out their website, and I'm gonna continue to try and make some outfits with these shoes. Okay, this top. Very unusual. I was not quite sure if it would work or not, but I think it's working. I mean, I kind of like it. The sleeves were very interesting to me. I spent a whopping $10 on this shirt, so what do you think? Is it working? And with these tennies, perfect like summer city outfit. Love this outfit. Moving on. Okay, now on to this peach top, which I feel like is gonna need some altering before it like actually looks good. But I was thinking maybe I could throw it on with the same setup here with these jean shorts and it might look okay. I feel like I just need some jewelry or something. Like, jewelry makes all the difference. Oh yeah, that's fun with the sleeves rolled up. And with these yellow shoes. Okay, I'm actually really liking this. I just loved this like peachy corally color. Perfect oversized button up. Okay, now for this super, super oversized green one, I was thinking, hang on. What if I used it as like a jacket type of thing? With like these really loose linen shorts. These tennies. Is it a yes or a no? I actually can't tell. Maybe I need a different top. I don't know if I like this top. Okay, don't judge me right now. I thought that this would work. It really doesn't. I almost feel like if this top was a dress, it might be kind of cool. I don't know if you guys remember, I DIY'd this corset recently. I thought this would look cool, but it doesn't. I kind of feel like a medieval like maiden right now. No, I don't think it works. All right, it's the next day. It's actually a couple hours before my flight. Classically, I am packing right now, and I just wanted to show you some of my like packing techniques that I usually use, because we all love to overpack. Who doesn't? I always try and shove as much as I can into my little carry-on suitcase. So, okay, here's what we're working with. So this side is already pretty full, but I know that I can get a ton more in here. So I always roll my clothes. The rolling method has always worked really well for me, but I wanted to share how I like to pack the items that wrinkle really easily. What I like to do is put them in between, like almost put them in between layers in my suitcase, and I try and lay them as flat as possible. So we've got these pants here, which I just ironed, try and fold them just a couple times and then lay it flat and then put another layer of clothes on top. So that shirt that I just got, I'm so excited to wear this. And then I like to sandwich some other clothes on top just to make sure that they kind of stay flat in here. And then for this side over here that zips up, I usually like to put shoes and anything that can get kind of dirty on this side, like my toiletries, maybe a small bag. And another tip I have, so I'll usually bring like a big tote bag if I'm going on a plane, and then a small bag for, you know, when you're out and about wherever you are. So I love to put my sunglasses in my small bag to protect them, so I don't have to have like 5 sunglass cases in my bag taking up a bunch of room. So that is always a space saver. So for my makeup brushes, I love this little compartment right here on this flap, because I just put everything that could get shuffled around or messed up, like my brushes, into here. I usually like to put my jewelry up here just so it all kind of like stays as flat as possible, and that usually works pretty well for me. And sometimes I even like to use these mesh holes to like clasp my necklaces to, and then put them down into one of these pockets, and that works well too. Okay, I'm sure this is not a new tip, but as for my eyeshadow palettes, I love to tuck them into my clothes. They're in there somewhere. Yeah, there's one. Because I found that some expensive makeup that I've had in the past has broken, but when I do that, it's never failed me. So I always do that. If I have like a breakable, like a perfume bottle or something, I will tuck that inside of a sneaker, or again, like wrap it in a scarf. Once I get like all my shoes packed in and stuff, I try and find the nooks and crannies like here and here where I can shove something else, like socks in there, you know, underwear, just like small things like that that can really just be shoved in. And that is pretty much it. Like I have a lot in here. I have a lot of options this weekend, that's for sure. That's what I do. That's what works really well for me. And just wanted to share. Be sure to check out my Instagram because I'll definitely be posting photos and, you know, stories of this weekend. And thanks so much for coming thrifting with me and packing with me. And I hope to see you guys in my next video.